Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I am here to do another VR and my VR today is for Woollysteph, and Woollysteph is from UK. She is having a birthday challenge giveaway which opens internationally. And if you are from the UK, this is going to be very exciting for you because she is going to draw 2 winners for the UK. But if she picks a winner from outside UK, she is going to give a prize of £15 to that winner. And to enter her giveaway, you have to subscribe, of course, to her channel, Woollysteph. I will provide the link in my description. And if you can do a VR for her, that would be great. Although it is not a requirement to enter the giveaway. She would appreciate a VR. Again, it's not a requirement to enter the giveaway. And all she is asking for is to send her 2 Twinchies. And what are Twinchies? This is something new to me as well. I've done ATC, but this is the first time that I am going to do Twinchies, and I'm very excited about this. Basically, a Twinchie is a piece of art that you make, and the size is 2 by 2 inches. So a square, 2 inches and 2 inches. And to make a Twinchie, you can use any material that you have. Packaging materials, cardboards, whatever you have. She says as long as the artwork measures 2 inches by 2 inches, that would be a Twinchie. And she wants to receive 2 so that you can enter the giveaway. You can send more if you want, but really she is asking for 2. This is such a lovely idea. The reason why she's asking for Twinchies is that when she receives the pieces of art, she will put them on her art book with your name on it. How good is that? I like that idea. And so it will be nice if the Twinchies are flat. We can put some dimension, but in order for her to put the pieces of art onto her book, it has to be at least flat. She showed some examples of Twinchies in her video, and I will again put her link in my description. This birthday challenge giveaway is open until March 14. That is the closing date, and there will be 2 winners drawn on March 15. But please, friends, go to the source. The source is her video, which will be linked in my description, so you can learn more about this giveaway because I may not be giving all the information correctly. So please watch her video. Also, please subscribe to her channel. I just recently subscribed to her and I am really liking her channel. She has project shares, she likes junk journals and mixed media, and also she does upcycling. I am still trying to catch up on her videos so I can learn more about her, but I already really like her. You know, she even said that when we enter her giveaway, we do not have to even send anything anymore except the Twinchies. She understands the cost of shipping. Of course, it can be very expensive if we are sending more than what we have to, but she wants a piece of our work. And I would love to be in her art book. So I am joining her birthday challenge giveaway, and I hope you join as well. And oh, the prizes. She is giving away great, amazing prizes for 2 winners from the UK. And again, if she is able to draw international winner, she is giving away £15. So there you go, everyone. This is my VR for Woollysteph. Again, please join her birthday challenge giveaway. All the information will be in her video, which is linked in my description. And while I have you here, I also invite you to join my birthday challenge giveaway, which is closing March 15, 2021. And I will also have my link in my description. So this is it, everyone. Thank you again for staying here with me right this very moment. Thank you for your support. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.